In this week's video, I cross Britain's most treacherous river, drink one cider, drink another cider, walk into a door frame, all coming up in this week's video.
Hey guys, welcome to this week's video, and today we're at Ashridge Caravan and Motorhome Park in Ashwell. We're going to head into town in a little bit, but first we're going to go and settle in and grab a coffee and yeah, go from there. Right guys, just hopped in the back of the van, going to make a quick coffee before we go out into the village. Apparently there's a good few pubs in town, so we might have a look around them, get a bite to eat as well, but we're just waiting for this to boil up. But I think I'm going to have to change the gas out because I think the gas is running out by the looks of it. Yeah, that is the flame at the moment, so I think the gas is slowly running out. All we're having is some instant 2-in-1 Nescafe Smooth and Rich. But yeah, we're just having instant coffee, nothing too fancy. Just leaving the park now, making our way into the village. Just crossed over the road to take a look at this little, I think it's like a little river and pond. Can't actually see it from here. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's a little river. Yeah, so we're just coming up to our first pub, 3 tons. Cute little village shop. Just come across our second pub. It's the Ashwell Village Museum. So that's the entrance to the village museum. Shame I can't show you more of this. We're only here for the one night. Local butchers, and we're just coming up to the third pub. Yeah, I do love old villages and old buildings. It's a lovely old church. Apparently it lights up at night with like LED lighting, so I might come back and have a little look later. Right, decided to get food at the Rose and Crown. Yeah, the Rose and Crown didn't have any more places for food, so we're going to head down to the, is it the 3 tons? Yeah. Yeah, 3 tons. And see if we've got any spaces for us to have a meal. Right, it's turned into a little bit of a disaster. We went to the 3 tons and it turns out they are fully booked. So I'm gonna head back to the van. Looks like it might be a pot noodle and a roll, or a cheese toasty. Slight change of plan. We're gonna try the third pub we see, and not sure if they do food, but we will soon find out. Alright, nearly back to the third pub. Okay, we're in the last pub, guys. Unfortunately, at the moment they don't do food, but normally they would do. But we've ordered a Just Eat that we're going to take back to the van. Had a few ciders while we're here. We're currently at the Bushel in Ashwell, and going to head back to the van. Highly recommend Bushel and Strike. Lovely pub. Unfortunately they didn't do food because the place is under new management. What we did in the end, we ordered a Just Eat, arranged to meet the guy on the outside of the pub so we've got some food to eat once we get back to the caravan park. So yeah, we're going to make our way back, and then I don't even know if you guys can see me that well. But yeah, we're going to make our way back and then have some food. Yeah, back at the campsite. Let's go and get our food.
I'm so hungry.
Yeah, no feeling. Just eating my food, and I think we're going to settle down, watch a bit of YouTube, hit the hay, and then tomorrow probably have a little look around the village, I reckon. Yeah, have a look around the village. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. It's currently just gone 7:30. Going to get a coffee going shortly. I've not been up very long. All we've done is put the bed away, use the facilities, and the plan is today head into the village, see what shops are open, and yeah, see what else we can find. Oh, that's one lovely coffee. Cheers, guys. We're just chilling out at the moment, watching some foresty forest. Just decided I'm a bit hungry, so gonna make one of these cheese toasters that from Iceland's, just in the frying pan there. But yeah, just cooking it on a low temperature. I'll give it a little flip over in a second. Yeah, it's coming along nicely now. Try and give it another flip, guys. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Yeah, smells really good. I think what I need to get myself is one of them ridge monkeys for doing this sort of thing. I can safely say that is one red hot toasty. Lovely cup of coffee. Well, I have to say I thoroughly enjoyed that cheese toasty. We're just chilling out again, watching some more YouTube. Have a new little toy for the van. See how well this works. Works pretty good. Before I give this little window a go, the cart shut window vac. Normally what happens is all the water runs down the front vent. I normally use, I'll show you what I normally use. Flip you around so you can actually see me. I normally use one of these demister pads. And the trouble is you wipe the window, as soon as you wipe it, you get like drops like this. One beading down the window. And it doesn't really soak up properly. I won't attempt to use it because last time I just ended up with loads of water ending up down there. But I might use the mister pad actually for the very bottom of the window because I don't know if I can reach down there with this. I'll have a go. See how. I can get a good proportion of the window. Yeah, liking it. The only reason I brought it because it was on offer on Amazon. But yeah, I'm going to finish off doing the window. Right guys, just got back from doing the washing up. I forgot to mention what else I got for the van. Last time when I done the washing up I had no washing up bowl. But I highly recommend these bowls that fold up. I got this one from Amazon. I can link it in the description. But yeah, it's perfect for washing up and everything. And it folds down nice and small, and I can fit it in the little kitchen cabinet there. But yeah, I thought I'd mention that one. Yeah, the other thing I thought I'd mention, the spatulas and stuff. Basically I brought, let me turn the camera around. Yeah, I brought them in a little set. These are from Amazon as well. But you get everything you need. Scissors, like a soup spoon, some like salad tongs. Get a cutting board. There's also a large knife in these. That's pretty cool. Comes with like sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed. Comes with like tin opener, vegetable peeler, like a little towel for drying up. But yeah, it's a nice little set. I'll also link that in the description for you guys. Just a quick correction, guys. The tin opener was actually purchased separately. I said it was included, but yeah, that was actually purchased separately. Yeah, while I'm just packing stuff away, guys, I'll just chat to you. But if you see anything like pots, pans, anything like that that you're interested in, do just stick a comment. I'll see if I can reply back with a link to like sets. Like, got this from Millets. This little set. This is brilliant. It comes with several size saucepans. It's got like a, let me grab the handle, comes with like a detachable handle. It's a proper compact camping set. And then you also got like the frying pan. Got some spoon sets as well. These are great because they literally just clip together. It just saves space when you can clip all stuff together, and I normally put them in with the pots and pans because they all stack as well. So yeah, you just basically just slide them in place like so. Nice and compact. And normally I put the frying pan at the bottom, got the saucepan, smaller saucepan lives inside there, and then I normally just chuck this in. Yeah, I normally just chuck that in the netting, lay that on top, knives and forks in there, and then that just ties up like so. But yeah, it's nice, compact little set there. Going back to the bowl, guys, what I love about this, I didn't actually show this when I was talking about it, but yeah, it folds right down, and then I can just pop that straight in the cupboard. It doesn't take up a lot of space. You could also lay it flat in there and then stack things on top as well. But yeah, I thought I'd mention that because the first time we went on that campsite, didn't have no washing up bowl, anything like that. I had to put all our dirty cutlery and stuff into a carrier bag, so it weren't that great for transporting stuff. But at least with this, you can stack all your cups and that in there, all your dirty cutlery, take it to wash, and then once you've washed up and everything, what I normally do is dry out the bowl, put all the clean cutlery all dried back in the bowl, and then carry that back to the van. But yeah, thought I'd mention that. Nice good thing. But like I say, I'll link it in the description. We are all packed up, going to head into the village now and take a little look around. Right guys, we have come back down to the village, back down to where we see that stream. Yeah, we're going to have a little walk down the footpath and see what we can see. Probably haven't got the right footwear on because I'm just wearing some van trainers. It's quite nice down here. Nice little bench. Do I attempt the stepping stones?
No.
No, it's got to be done, guys. Yep, and I'm across. You gonna attempt it? No. She doesn't want to. Well, there's a lot easier way out of here than the way across the stepping stones and steps. There's actually a little slope. Look at this church bell in the background there. Right. Go to the pub? Yeah, I think I'm going to pop to the pub. There she is. Love Sundays #2. We just had a lovely meal at the 3 tons. Yeah, lovely in there. And we're back at the van. Before I finish the video, guys, I thought I'd give you a little update what I thought on Ashwell. It's a nice location. I'll probably say it wouldn't be a place where you bring your kids, but for like a couple, just to go for a weekend, it's a lovely little place. The only downside, there is no phone signal. So in the evenings, for instance, if you wanted to watch Netflix and that, you would have to download something. There is slight phone signal, but every time I tried to watch something on YouTube, it just kept buffering. So I would say to download something before you come here to the holiday park, or bring a book. But yeah, other than that, it's a nice little village. We went to each of the pubs. There's 3 pubs here. Went to the Rose and Crown. It was nice in there. The last pub we went to is the 3 Tons. Recommend that. Nice food in there as well. It is a bit on the pricey side. I mean, the burger and chips is, I think it was like $17.50, something like that. So yeah, a bit on the pricey side. But it was a really nice meal though, saying that. But yeah, there is like a little river here that you can walk along and stuff like that. But I'd say it's a place you wouldn't spend a week here, but for like 2 nights, it's a nice little location. Probably might come back here again, but next time I'll definitely download a film from Netflix. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna wrap up the video. If you enjoyed the video, do give us a like, because that does really help boost our video, you know, for recommendations to people. Yeah, if you haven't already, do subscribe, because there'll be more trips to different places like this one. And yeah, I'm gonna end the video there. Until next time, guys, take care.